If you're watching this right now, it's probably because you want one very specific thing: a way to start or grow a YouTube channel without showing your face, without expensive software, and without spending months learning complicated editing skills. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how creators are building full YouTube channels in 2026 using free AI tools, how they're modeling what already works instead of guessing, and how you can do the same in a way that's unlimited, legal, and actually sustainable. Nothing here is theory. This is a complete system you can apply right after this video ends. YouTube in 2026 is not what it used to be. The platform has matured, competition is higher, and attention is more expensive than ever. But at the same time, opportunity has never been bigger. AI has completely changed how content is created, and when you combine YouTube with AI the right way, you unlock one of the most reliable income engines available today. The problem is that most people never start. They get stuck overthinking, worrying about cameras, microphones, editing software, or feeling like they're not experts. That hesitation is the real barrier, not the algorithm. So, in this video, we're going to break down every single obstacle that stops people from launching a successful YouTube channel. We'll go step by step, starting from zero, assuming you have no experience, no budget, and no audience. You'll see how to choose a niche that actually works, how to validate ideas without guessing, how to analyze top-performing videos without copying them, and how to generate full videos, thumbnails, titles, and descriptions using completely free and unlimited AI tools. No paid courses, no hidden subscriptions, just systems that work. At the core of all of this is a simple question: are you controlling the tools, or are the tools controlling you? Most people scroll, consume, and feel overwhelmed, but the same systems that distract people can also be trained to work for you. Once you understand that, everything changes. By the time you reach the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start. You won't need to write scripts from scratch, stare at blank screens, or guess what people want to watch. And to make things even easier, I've put all the prompts and tool links we use today into a free PDF that you can access through the Discord linked in the description. I'll explain exactly how to get it later, so you don't waste time taking notes. Let's start with the most important foundation: value. No matter what YouTube gurus say about hacks, secrets, or trends, the platform rewards one thing above all else: videos that provide value. That value can be entertainment, education, inspiration, or a mix of all three. If you find a solid niche and create genuinely useful or engaging videos, you've already done most of the work. The rest is optimization. The first major barrier is finding a good idea. People get stuck here for weeks. They ask themselves what niche is profitable, what's saturated, what's too competitive. The truth is that you don't need to reinvent anything. You just need to understand what already works and position yourself intelligently. To do that, we need a powerful AI model to help us think and research at scale. Normally, access to top-tier AI models costs money, which is tough when you're just starting out. But there's a simple, safe, and legal way to use them for free and without limits. The tool is called LM Arena. If you want a deeper explanation of how it works, I've already covered it in another video on the channel. For now, all you need to know is that LM Arena lets you interact with some of the most powerful AI models available today. Once you're inside LM Arena, we'll choose the strongest model currently available. This model will act as our research partner. We'll give it a prompt designed to generate YouTube channel ideas and niches based on current demand and content patterns. If you already have a rough idea of what you want to talk about, you can include that. If you don't, just leave it open and let the AI explore. The AI will return a list of potential niches and video ideas, often grouped by themes. At the end, it will also rank the strongest ideas based on potential. Don't rush this part. Read through everything. Look for ideas that genuinely interest you and feel sustainable. The goal is not to chase trends blindly, but to find a direction you can stick with. Once you've chosen a niche, we move on to validation. This is where most people either do too much or nothing at all. Validation doesn't mean copying other channels or spamming content. It means understanding what YouTube already knows works. Using the keywords the AI gave you, go to YouTube and search them one by one. Look at the videos with the highest views that match your niche and your content style. As you find relevant videos, save their links. You're not collecting them to copy scripts or steal ideas. You're collecting them so the AI can learn the storytelling patterns, pacing, and structures that perform well. YouTube rewards originality, but originality built on proven foundations performs far better than random creativity. Now, before we move further, I want to briefly mention today's sponsor because it ties directly into everything we're talking about. Outskill is a focused educational platform designed to help people like you and me learn AI skills faster. They're hosting a live 2-day AI mastermind training this weekend from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. EST on both days. And right now, you can join completely free as part of their New Year upskilling event. This is a full 16-hour training that has already helped more than 10 million people worldwide build AI-first skills. It's rated 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and participants come from marketing, finance, operations, product, and engineering. The reason is simple. AI skills are no longer optional in any industry. Inside the training, you learn how to build AI agents that can plan, write, execute, and report for you. You learn how to automate workflows that run even while you sleep, how to connect tools like spreadsheets, Notion, CRMs, and email, and how to create systems that actually generate income. Many participants have gone on to launch AI-powered services earning thousands of dollars per week. If you attend both days, you also get lifetime bonuses like an AI prompt Bible, an AI profit roadmap, and a personalized AI toolkit builder. On top of that, you get access to the 2026 AI Survival Hack book, which breaks down upcoming AI shifts and how to prepare for them. Seats are limited, so check the link in the description and join the WhatsApp community to stay updated. Now, back to the system.
Once you've collected your reference videos, it's time for the real magic. We're going to use NotebookLM. This is where everything comes together. Create a new notebook and upload all the YouTube links you saved. If you also found articles or text resources that seem relevant, you can upload those as well. When you click Insert, NotebookLM will begin analyzing all of the content. What we want from it is not summaries, we want patterns. Specifically, we'll ask it to extract the storytelling structure used by top-performing videos in this niche. That means identifying how they hook viewers in the first 10 to 15 seconds, how they maintain attention throughout the video, what kind of payoff or reward they give at the end, and how they structure their content into segments. We'll also ask NotebookLM to generate 20 original video ideas that follow these patterns. For each idea, it will give us a title, a short hook, a breakdown of the main parts of the video, and a clear reward for the viewer. This ensures that every video idea is designed with intention, not guesswork. NotebookLM will present all this information in organized sections so it's easy to understand. At this point, many channels get stuck again. They see 20 ideas and freeze because they don't feel like experts. This is where most people quit, but we're not stopping here. I've prepared another prompt specifically for this moment. We'll ask NotebookLM to rank the 20 video ideas based on performance potential. It will analyze them using factors like curiosity, clarity, value, and audience fit. The result will be a top 5 list, each with a score and a detailed explanation of why it ranks high. This step is crucial because it removes emotion from the decision. You're no longer choosing based on what sounds cool. You're choosing based on structured reasoning. Even if you know nothing about the niche, you can confidently pick a strong topic. Once you choose your best idea, find it in the list and copy everything associated with it: the hook, the structure, the segments, and the payoff. This becomes the blueprint for your video. Now we move into production, and this is where most people think they need editing skills. You don't. On the right side of NotebookLM, you'll see a video preview section. With just a few configurations, you can generate a full video in minutes. Click on the pencil icon, choose your language, select a visual style, and paste the content you copied earlier. You can experiment with different styles depending on your niche, but don't overthink it. Once everything is set, click Generate. The AI will create the video for you. No recording, no editing timeline, no rendering headaches. And this is the real realization moment. If your brain can be influenced so easily by content, it can also be trained to produce it. Once you see how fast this works, you stop seeing YouTube as something complicated and start seeing it as a system. But we're not done yet. A good video alone isn't enough. YouTube needs context to understand who to show it to. That's where titles and descriptions come in. This is another barrier where people rush and lose momentum. Using another prompt, we'll paste the video content into the AI and ask it to generate multiple optimized titles.
It won't just give random options, it will rank them so you can choose confidently. We'll do the same for the description, making sure it clearly tells YouTube what the video is about while remaining natural for viewers. Finally, we reach the thumbnail. This single image often determines whether your video lives or dies. YouTube tests thumbnails first. If people don't click, the video never gets a chance. Creating thumbnails is a skill, but it's one you don't need to master manually anymore. We'll use a free and unlimited AI tool. First, we'll give it the video description from NotebookLM. It will return 6 thumbnail concepts designed to maximize clicks, using proven psychological triggers like curiosity, contrast, and clarity. Once we choose one, we'll paste it into the image generation section, and the AI will generate a high-quality thumbnail in seconds. At this point, everything is in place. You have a valuable video, a clickable thumbnail, and optimized metadata. You don't need expensive software or years of experience, you just need consistency and time. As promised at the beginning, if you want the free PDF with all the prompts and direct links to every tool we used, head to the Discord linked in the description. Go to the bot PDF channel, send a message to the bot, paste the link of the video you want the PDF for, follow the steps, and you'll receive it completely free. Thank you for watching.